In this section, we'll see how to add your product to the system. To get started, navigate to the product screen and click the Add Product button. Once the form opens, you'll see two fields that are mandatory: the product name and the product price. You must fill these in before you can save. For example, if you're selling a wooden chair, type that in the name field and enter your selling price right below it. Next, you'll see fields for the product description, HSN or SAC, and unit of measure. These are optional, but adding details here can make your professional invoices even better. If your business is GST compliant, you can enter the HSN or SAC number here. These codes help categorize your products for tax filing and report generation. If you know the specific code for your item, go ahead and add it. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine to leave this field blank. Now, let's look at the unit of measure. This defines how you sell your product. If you are selling liquids like milk or oil, you should choose liters. If you're selling bulk items like rice, sugar, or gym weights, you would choose kilograms, kg. If you sell items like pens, t-shirts, or bottles, you can select pieces, PCs, or numbers. If you're not sure, you can simply leave it as Others. Once you've filled in the details, simply click the Add button. Your new product is now saved. If you need to make changes to a product you've already added, find the product you want to modify, for example, this dining table, and click on the Edit button located right next to it. This will open up the product details. You can now change any information you need. You can update the product name if there was a typo. You can adjust the selling price if your rates have changed. For instance, if you want to change the price from 8,000 to 8,500, simply type the new amount in the price field. Once you've made your adjustments, click the Update button to save your changes. You'll see that the product information is updated immediately. Now, the next time you go to create an invoice, the new price or name will be automatically applied to your bill.